Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Beauty by Sree. Today I did this purple smoky eye with some nude lips. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I was really excited to try the Huda Beauty Amethyst collection, so I used a few of these shades. And yeah, I was really excited to go out of my comfort zone with the neutrals and warm tones and experiment with cool tones. So I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Let's get on with it. Let's get started. I'm going to start off by prepping my eyelids with an eye primer. I'm using Benel Stay Don't Stray. Then I'm just taking this It Cosmetics brush and blending that through. So I actually did both the eyes at the same time, but apparently my camera didn't record, so I'm redoing it for you guys. Just so you get the eyes from start to finish. Next, I'm going in with this plumage color from Marc Jacobs and setting that as a base for our colors. You can be kind of messy with this because we're just going to blend this out anyway. I'm blending it out with this Real Techniques brush. Whoops, just gonna clean up under, so we're a little too blending happy. Next, I'm excited to use the Huda Beauty Amethyst palette, and I'm taking, so with this Makeup Forever 218 brush, I'm taking these two colors and using that to define the crease. Then with the MAC 217 brush, I'm blending that out. And don't worry if the eyelid is looking uneven because we will be placing a lid color. So just be patient. Next, I'm going in with this dark shade over here and deepening up the crease more. And blending it out with a MAC 217. Next, I'm taking a flat shader brush and MAC Fix Plus, spraying it. Then I'm picking up this shade over here. Placing it all over my eyelid. For liner, I'm using the Marc Jacobs liquid pen. I love how this felt tip really helps you create the wing. So I like to start at the outer corner and then work my way inward. For lashes, I'm using the Ardell demi-wispies. So I'm using the Duo Lash Glue to apply the glue to the eyelash band. Then I'm going to wait around like 20 seconds. Then I'm going to apply the eyelash. You want to press the lash band with your natural band. I don't know why my voice got like that. So I'm going to finish off the eyes after I do skin. I'm going in with a peach corrector. This is to correct the, because I'm Indian, I have really like big, large dark circles. And so I feel like this extra step really helps conceal all of that. So fun fact, I actually got into makeup because I wanted to know how to conceal under the eyes better. Then I'm going to blend with this brush again, this It Cosmetics brush. So I already primed my skin with the Embryolace hydrating cream. I'm not really going to use a primer. So I'm going to be using Dior foundation in the shade 040. Then I'm going to mix a little bit of the MAC Studio Fix. Then I'm just going to rub that onto the skin. Then I'm also going to take a damp beauty blender and with soft patted motions blend in the foundation that I just applied. For concealer, I'm using the Laura Mercier concealer in the shade 3W. And I'm going to highlight underneath the eyes. And then you want to extend it, and that's what gives you that lifted look. Down the center of your nose, Cupid's bow, or on the mouth, the chin, the smile or laugh lines. I know it looks silly right now. And I'm going to blend all that in with the damp beauty blender. To set the areas that I just highlighted, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish on the forehead and nose and around the mouth. I'm going to leave this area to bake. For under the eyes, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Transluscent powder with this Cosmetic wedge. Then I'm going to go with my Bobbi Brown in almond and just do a little bit of this contour underneath the cheeks, the sides of the face, and the perimeter. My favorite brush to blend all of this is the e.l.f. Stippling brush. Then I'm taking a powder brush and this Makeup Forever Pro Bronze, and then you have to do against the waves to pick up the product, and then apply where you just contoured. To set the contour, this is why you do this step. Then I'm taking the Sephora brush and this MAC Studio Fix in NW45 and just repeating this process. And this is just going to give the face warmth. Nose contour, I'm taking this NARS brush, and I like this because it's nice and flat. And then I'm taking Too Faced bronzer in medium deep. Down the sides. So it's time to finish up under the eyes, and I'm applying the same purple plumage color to my lower waterline. Then I want to dip back into these darker shades from this palette and just smoke out or just apply it. I'm gonna go ahead and line the upper waterline with this black eyeliner. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. for mascara, I'm using the Dior Shu. I'm really liking this mascara so far. I'm gonna dip this Sigma tapered highlighter brush into this Makeup Forever powder that's a little bit lighter, and dab that in there and then dust off underneath the eyes. Next, because there was a little bit of pink in the crease, I'm going to choose this pink blush and mix a little bit of MAC Melba. So I'm going to mix these two. I'm going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks and a little bit of my nose. Just put the leftover product to give you a nice glow. For highlight, I'm using this Rodeo Drive by Cosmetics and this Real Techniques brush. Just picking up a little bit and highlighting. You want to do this V shape here. I'm also going to bring it down the center of my nose and on my Cupid's bow. A bit over the chin, forehead. Oops, it's a little bit too much on the forehead. The tip of your nose, but make sure to dab off the excess, and you just want a little bit. Boom. That's all. I'm also going to take a little bit for underneath the eyes. I hear this is like a makeup artist trick to really brighten the under eye. For lips, I'm using Makeup Forever lip liner in Wherever Walnut. Then I'm going in with the Dose of Colors Friendcation Hey Girl. I really wanted to go a little bit nude with the lips because the eyes are so bright. Then I'm taking more Creamer Please and just putting it in the middle. Well, there you have it. That's the finished look. I really hope you learned something, and please leave in the comments below what you'd like to see more of, whether it's product reviews or more looks or more everyday 5-minute what are some beauty hacks. I would love to do videos for that. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this.